We are on Costanza. Love Julia is at the helm. What's it like being back at the helm, Julia?
It's amazing. We just got to work out how to get the baby and then reach back on.
Oh yes. There's Rich and little Joe. I'm not helping at all. I'm just trying to get the social media bits and pieces, you know. So to keep the audience happy, you know, you've got to keep the audience happy. That's the rumour. Anyway, there's the lovely Julia doing her stuff. And here is Rich, turn the camera around.
Left holding the baby.
Left holding the baby. But Joe seems to be alright with it. And down in the cabin somewhere, can't see. But anyway, we're on the boat. We'll see Fran. Better get and do something. They're all going to be very annoyed with me.